Back now to the growing alarm over the severe stomach bug surging across the country, with nearly 7,000 confirmed and probable cases in 34 states. ABC's Elizabeth Schulze has the latest on the cyclosporiasis outbreak.
Hospitals across the country are treating an influx of patients with the severe stomach bug cyclosporiasis.
Our emergency departments are busy. The urgent cares here locally are busy.
The intestinal illness that causes fatigue, fever, and an explosive upset stomach now on the rise in 34 states, with the CDC reporting nearly 7,000 confirmed or probable cases. The most in Michigan, where doctors say typically they see less than 50 cases per year.
It's an additional 500 to 600 cases per day. And so we're waiting to see if this is the end and whether we have, some light at the end of the tunnel.
Michigan health officials say the outbreak could be tied to lettuce or salad greens. In Colorado, for Sam Epperson, his 4-year-old son and 2-year-old daughter, the symptoms started with intense stomach cramps and only got worse for nearly 10 days.
I knew it wasn't just a normal stomach bug. We were trying to rack our brains thinking through, what we had for dinner the last couple of nights.
Newlywed Gretchen Plus says she contracted the illness while on her honeymoon and ended up in the emergency room.
I felt fine until we got out here, and then a couple days into camping into the Badlands, I started having symptoms.
She and her husband Brad staying positive.
Our vows said in sickness then in health, so we're just getting an early start on that.
As health officials scramble to determine the parasite's origins, there are vacancies at the top of the FDA, CDC, and Surgeon General's office. On Capitol Hill Wednesday, the CDC director nominee was asked why the agency last year stopped one of its programs tracking the disease.
Is there any scientific or medical justification for CDC having eliminated mandatory reporting of that parasite?
Senator, this is the first I've heard of that. Cyclospora, as you know, is a terrible, terrible disease, as you mentioned.
Elizabeth Schulze, ABC News, Washington.